So we're heading up into the bell tower and the lights are on caution. Oh, the light went down now. It's not at caution anymore. Wow, these are some narrow steps.
Yeah? Yeah.
Oh, the light's up to caution again. No, it's going down, moving around.
Definitely sounds like there's something there. Wow. We have 3 big bells. They're way at the top. I think we're just to go to the very top.
I don't think I'm in good enough shape to go over there and talk.
That looks pretty spooky.
So, yeah, that would be pretty spooky if you was like supposedly standing down there and you saw somebody, some shape, some dark figure moving up the stairs. That would be kind of creepy.
Yeah.
And supposedly people heard like whispering up here in the bell tower and like voices.
Is there anyone here that would like to speak with me?
I wonder what's back there. Do what?
Freaking people out walking by.
Oh, yeah.
It'd be funny if they could see that.
Just stand there and start waving. You're like, oh my God. Somebody come up to me. Somebody will come up to us next week or somebody like, we saw some shadows waving their hands up there.
That's right. Is there anyone here that would like to speak with us before we go?
Oh, it's back up to caution. Oh my goodness, did you hear that? That sounds like somebody's in the church with us. Are you hearing this?
What?
That's why I thought I heard like voices coming from down there.
Oh, really? I heard something there. Sweet spirits, would you like to speak with us?
Are those people have come in early? Or maybe it's just the sound of that stuff reverberating off the walls.
Can you tell me the lady who takes care of this place, what her name is? What's her name?
What was that?
This is supposed to be like the best, so there should be no listening.
Am I the only person hearing that?
It's at a 5 right now. Is there someone here that would like to speak with us? Can you say yes very clear for me?
Caution light keeps changing.
Well, thank you, sweet spirits, for talking with us.
Did you hear? Did they just say something?
Yeah.
That's what I keep. Every time I walk away, I hear something from over here. I wonder. And it's caution lights on. Maybe they really did see somebody up here in the bell tower.
Can you do me a favor? Can you say this lady's name for me? Who takes care of your place? Sweet spirits? Can you say Autumn for me?
It's every time I walk away. I'm gonna go over
I
here.
don't think they like you.
No, probably not.
It sounded like it said Jacob earlier. Yeah.
Really? All right, I'm over here. How come you wait till I walk away every time?
Thank you for letting us talk about your history each night when we can. We appreciate that. Do you see us when we give the tours? It sounds like they're talking to you something.
I know.
It's like an older lady. Well, we really do appreciate it.
I seriously thought like somebody was down there a second ago. I guess it was just the way it was echoing.
You have so much history here.
Yeah, the caution light's not up.
I enjoy talking about your history and how this church still exists.
So I guess that it does or something. I wonder how long those have been there.
It's sterling.
Oh wow. Wow, you know that could easily just been people breaking in here 20 years ago or something.
Yeah. Well, we thank you.
I wonder what right here would keep causing this caution light to come on. Alright, well let's try to... I'm turning this off because I'm going to need both my hands to get down these stairs. You want me to take that?
Careful. Are you okay? Yeah.
You want me to get that box?
Steep.